Today we're here in front of one of my favorite parks, West Lake Park. This place is amazing because you can actually come here with your kayak and drop it off in a public boat ramp. We have a car coming. The public boat ramp is open to the public every single day, and when you come and drop off your kayak or canoe here, you get to ride on 9 miles of mangroves. That's amazing. Where else in Florida can you find that? Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that like button. Also, check out the video where I do the review of the park that's right across the street from this one, and Cove Nature Center. They have a really cool observatory tower and a really fun trail for you to walk through. All right, so let's go inside, check out the gazebos, check out the boat ramp, check out where you rent the kayaks, and we're also gonna go and look at a brand new playground that they just installed inside of the park. All right, let's go skating around the park, and I'm gonna show you guys some of the fun stuff. Let's go. Whenever you come to West Lake Park and you come here to canoe or kayak, you're gonna go through some of the most amazing mangrove trails you can imagine. This park has about 9 miles of mangrove trails that you can just go through. They're all over the place, all behind me. Believe me, they're amazing. If you come here to canoe or kayak, you can fish. There's a ton of fish all over the place. They literally are jumping all around me in the water right now. As you can see here, we have the ramps where you can drop off your kayak or canoe. You have a sand ramp and you have a cement ramp. So if you have a trailer, you can just bring it down the cement ramp. Right behind me, we have the building where you will rent your kayak or canoe. This is also an information center about the trails, and they have some snacks and water if you forgot that at home. They also have some sunscreen. Pretty cool little store. The lake here at West Park is truly mesmerizing, especially because it's located in the middle of a city. This lake has a ton of turtles, so if you like wildlife, you can come here and look at them. There's also alligators and snakes, so you have to be careful with little kids around the water. If you try to come and do some fishing, I recommend you guys bring small hooks and small bait because there's a bunch of tiny little fish in this water. If you go back and watch some of my previous videos, you'll see that I actually catch a ton of small fish in this water. I don't think there's any large fish. The park is home to 4 half courts. If you want to come here and practice hitting a ball against the wall, or playing some handball, or kicking a ball, anything you want to do alone, they have it here for you. Behind me you can see people playing. This park is beautiful at any time of the day. The bugs aren't that bad, especially during the winter time. And it's just a great place to come with the family. Right behind me, we have the new addition to the park. This brand new, amazing playground. They have everything from brand new slides to swings to pretty much every single playground accessory you can imagine. This place is divided by age, but it's fun for every single kid. Alright everyone, well that's all I have for you guys today. Make sure you come and check out this amazing park, Westlake Park. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment, and come kayaking. This place is really, really cool. Well, that's my life. I had fun. I hope you guys did.